Welcome to this powerful journey. My friend, if you are listening today, it means you are searching for hope, for strength, and for a reason to keep moving forward. Remember this: your destiny is not written by your failures, it is written by your choices. So never give up, because the choices you make today will shape the life you live tomorrow. Choose courage over, for every great story begins with courage. Fear will whisper to you, "Stop, you cannot do it." But courage whispers louder, "Try." Even if you fail, when you choose courage, doors open, opportunities appear, and your destiny begins to change. Choose action over excuses. Are easy, action is hard. But only action builds results. Every step, no matter how small, moves you closer to your dreams. Choose learning over comfort. Comfort zones feel safe, but they keep you trapped. Learning makes you grow, even when it is difficult. If you want a bigger destiny, you must become a bigger person. Choose discipline over distraction. Distractions are everywhere: social media, gossip, endless noise. But discipline is the power to say no to what wastes time and yes to what builds your future. Destiny belongs to the disciplined. Choose persistence over giving up when life knocks you down. Persistence is standing up again. The difference between winners and quitters is not talent, it is persistence. Every time you rise again, your destiny. Get stronger. Choose gratitude over complaints. Complaints make you weak. Gratitude makes you strong. When you are grateful, your mind becomes positive, and positivity attracts growth. Choose hard work over luck. Luck may open a door, but hard work keeps you inside. When you work hard with consistency, you create your own destiny. Choose hope over doubt. Hope is the fuel of the soul. When doubt whispers it's impossible, hope answers, "Keep trying." Hope lights your path in the darkest night. Choose growth over perfection. Do not wait to be perfect. Start now. Make mistakes. Learn. Grow. Growth is more powerful than perfection, because growth never ends. Choose faith over fear of failure. Faith means trusting the process, believing that your effort will matter. Fear stops you, but faith pushes you. Your destiny is written by your faith, not by your fear. Choose resilience over weakness. Life is not easy, and destiny is not cheap. Resilience is your ability to bend but not break. Every struggle makes you stronger. If you refuse to give up, choose kindness over anger. Kindness is not weakness, it is power. When you choose kindness, you attract respect, trust, and support. Anger burns bridges, but kindness builds them. Choose focus over noise. That world is noisy, filled with distractions and endless voices. Focus is your weapon. It cuts through noise and directs your energy to what truly matters. Choose responsibility over blame. Blame says it's not my fault. Responsibility says I will take control. When you choose responsibility, you take the driver's seat of your destiny. Choose never giving up over quitting. This is the greatest choice of all. When the world tells you to stop, when failure makes you tired, when doubts scream in your ear, stand tall and whisper back, "I will never give up." This choice alone separates dreamers from achievers and survivors from legends. My friend, these 15 choices are not just words, they are doors. Every day, you stand before these doors. Choose courage, choose persistence, choose hope, and above all, choose never to give up. Your destiny is waiting. Your story is not over. So rise, take action and define your life with choices that no one can take away from you.